Flat feet is ruining your posture, but there's help. If your feet, your ankles, your knees, your hip, and even your back is hurting, they could all be interconnected. And yes, it could be because your foot is flat. Flat feet means the arch on the bottom of your foot is collapsed or just completely gone. And so that means when you're walking, you're rolling inwards. And so you don't have enough support when you're walking and carrying all of your body weight. Instead of walking on a nice curve, your body flattens and your entire foot just does not have the support it needs to carry you through your daily activities. Here's how you know if you have flat feet. Just take a look at your foot. Do you see a nice curve? Still not sure if you have flat feet? Step on water. Look at your wet footprint. Do you have a nice curve on the inside of your foot? If the answer is no, you probably have flat feet. Another sign is look at the bottom of your shoes that you wear most commonly. Is there uneven wear? Is there more wear on the inside, meaning you don't have the threads at the bottoms of your shoes anymore on one side than the other? Then you likely have flat feet as well. Another common sign, but could easily be overlooked, is you're just tired from walking. Your feet feels like they've been walking for miles on miles. Meanwhile, you just went to the mailbox. Now, here's what I tell my patients to do and what I do myself. You need to get good supportive insoles, not the flimsy one. If you can fold it like a pancake, it's just not good enough. You need something that can support that arch and support your weight too. Try foot strengthening exercises. Exercises like toe curls, heel raises, towel scrunches. What they do is that they exercise and strengthen the tiny muscles that are in our feet to help create a little bit of an arch when we're walking as well. Stretch your calves daily. If your calves are tight or your Achilles tendon is tight, it pulls on your foot and it just makes the flat feet pain worse. Wear supportive shoes. You want to ditch all those flat shoes, especially the ballet shoes. Ooh, I have a personal vendetta against ballet shoes. There's no support, there's no structure. Again, if you can fold your shoe like a pancake, it's a no-go. Throw it in the trash, in the bin it goes. They are not supportive. You need something that supports you when you walk around. Now, flat feet is not always a problem. Just like you have tall people, you have short people. Just like you have big people, you have little people. So you may have flat feet, you may have high arch feet, you may have normal feet. It's all fine, and it doesn't have to slow you down. But if you ignore it, especially if you have pain, then it definitely will. Try these tips. Try them diligently for about a week or two, and let me know in the comments after you've tried them how it feels. If you've been dealing with flat feet, drop a comment down below if you have any tips or tricks that has been helping you. Let me know, because I think other people would love to hear what's been helping you, and that may help them as well. If you learned something today, please hit the like button and then subscribe if you want more tips that actually make your feet and your whole body feel better.